On 2 series and newer processors, the outputs are break before make. This means that these two outputs, out and out star, cannot be high at the same time. One of them will always be high, and one will always be low. When the program first starts, the out star will be high and the out will be low. When you press set, the out will remain high until reset is selected. This is what it means to be a latching signal. To activate the warming up message on our user interface, we're going to use the set signal on the set reset latch. For now, we'll only program the startup portion. We will take the system.startup.message and drag it to the input of the set reset latch. On the output, we will name it system.status.message. The status message itself is using feedback join 15. We will add it there now on our user interface. We will use the second output of the stepper to activate the main page. We will call it system.goto.main. To activate the page flip, we will click and drag this into Digital Feedback Join 17 because this is the join number used on the panel. We have everything we need to test the first part, but we need to define the parameters in the stepper so that we can compile. For demo purposes, we will have the system startup message go high for 5 seconds, followed by a delay of 1 second, and then a duration of 1/2 second. We are not using the total time high word or low word, so we will comment out those signal lines. To do this, type 2 forward slashes on the signal name. This will make the symbol complete. All symbols must be complete if you want to compile your program. When a double slash is used, the compiler ignores everything that is using a double slash. To turn off the system later, we will be using the reset signal name, but for now, we don't need it. So we will add 2 slashes and comment that out. We can now compile and test. Before we do that, let's discuss the organization of the logic folder. The logic folder can get cluttered quickly, so it is important to organize it in a way that makes sense. We will add a subfolder, also called a subsystem, into the logic folder. To do this, we will right-click on the logic folder and choose the Insert Subsystem option. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Alt and S. We will name our subfolder System, as we will be putting our system logic into it. You can also add subfolders into subfolders. We will add another and call it System Startup. Remember, this is only for organizational purposes. Now that we have subfolders, we can drag the related logic symbols into the appropriate folder.